Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, English Worried. We are learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. And hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home or on the go. It's such a beautiful day to practice English together.
It really is, Jack. I am feeling very relaxed today. How are you?
I am doing fantastic, thank you. I have my tea, I'm comfortable, and I am ready to chat.
That sounds perfect. I'm happy to hear that.
And Sarah, before we start our conversation, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button. It's a small click for you, but it helps us a lot.
Exactly. And please subscribe to Sarah and Jack's channel. We want you to join our family.
And share this episode with your friends. English is better with friends.
Yes, it is. Okay, Sarah, you said you were relaxed today. Why is that?
Well, Jack, today I want to talk about a very peaceful topic.
Ooh, peaceful. I like peaceful topics. What is it?
Today we are talking about life in a small town, specifically the daily routine, the community, and the neighbors.
Wow, that is a great topic. I love small towns. They're so different from big cities.
Yes, they are, Jack. Imagine you wake up in a small town. What is the first thing you hear?
Good question. In the city, I hear cars, I hear buses.
Beep, beep. Yes, the city is very loud. But in a small town, I think I hear birds.
Yes, you hear birds singing. You hear the wind in the trees. It's quiet.
That sounds wonderful. No stress, just nature.
Exactly. The morning routine in a small town is slower. You don't need to rush.
I hate rushing. I like to drink my coffee slowly.
In a small town, people often sit outside in the morning on their porch.
Ah, the porch. That's the front part of the house, right?
Yes, they sit, they drink coffee, and they watch the sun come up.
That's the best way to start the day. And then, do they go to work?
Yes, they go to work, but the commute is different.
The commute? That's the travel from home to work.
Correct. In a big city, the commute is long. You sit in traffic for an hour.
Oh, I know. It's terrible. I get very angry in traffic.
But in a small town, Sarah, you can often walk to work.
Walk to work? Wow, that's great exercise.
Or you drive for maybe 5 minutes. There's no traffic jam.
5 minutes. That's a dream. So you have more time.
Yes, you have more time for your life, and you have more time for people.
People? You mean the neighbors?
Yes, this is a big part of small town life. Community.
I like that word community. It means the group of people living together.
Exactly. In a small town, you know everyone.
Everyone. Really?
Well, almost everyone. When you walk down the street, you see faces you know.
That's nice. In the city, I see many people, but I don't know them. They're strangers.
Right, we walk fast, we look at our phones, but in a small town, you look at people and you say, "Good morning."
Good morning, Mrs. Robinson. Hello, Mr. Miller.
Yes, exactly like that. And you stop. You talk for a few minutes.
What do they talk about?
Simple things. You talk about the weather, you talk about your garden, you ask, "How's your family?"
That's very polite. It makes you feel connected.
Connected. Yes, that's the perfect word. You're not alone. And Sarah, I think neighbors in small towns help each other more. Is that true?
It is very true. Let me give you an example.
Okay, I'm listening.
Imagine you're cooking a cake, but oh no, you don't have sugar.
Oh no, a cake with no sugar is just bread.
Exactly. In the city, you must run to the supermarket. It takes time.
Yes. But in a small town, you walk to the house next door. You knock on the door and you ask the neighbor.
Yes, you say, "Hello, can I please borrow a cup of sugar?"
And they say, "Yes, of course."
Usually, yes, they're happy to help because next week maybe they need eggs.
I see, it's give and take. You help me, I help you.
Yes, that's a real community. People trust each other. Trust is very important.
That's beautiful. Do people lock their doors in small towns?
That's an interesting question. In many very small towns, people sometimes leave their doors unlocked during the day.
Wow, that shows a lot of trust. They feel safe.
Yes, they feel safe because they know their neighbors are watching. They look after each other.
It's like a big family.
It is. And you know what else is interesting, Jack? The children in small towns.
Oh, yes, tell me about the children.
Children in small towns play outside more. They ride their bikes, they play in the park.
Without their parents watching all the time?
Sometimes, yes, because the whole community is watching. If a child falls, a neighbor helps.
That's wonderful. In the city, parents are always worried.
Yes, there's more freedom for children in small towns. They can explore.
I would have loved that as a child. So much independence.
Me too. Now, Jack, let's talk about shopping in a small town.
Okay, shopping. Is there a big mall?
Usually, no, there's no big mall. There are small local shops.
Ah, like a bakery or a butcher?
Yes, small businesses. And the shop owners are your neighbors too.
So, when I buy bread, I know the baker.
Yes, his name is probably Tom or Jerry or maybe Emma.
Tom the baker, I like it.
And Tom knows what you like. He says, "Hello, Jack. Do you want your favorite bread today?"
That feels very special. In the big supermarket, nobody knows my name.
Exactly. It's personal. You have a relationship with the shop owner, but there's a small negative thing.
Oh, what's the negative thing?
The shops close early.
In the city, shops are open very late, sometimes 24 hours.
Yes, in a small town at 6 p.m., everything is closed.
Everything?
Well, maybe not the gas station, but the bakery, the butcher, the clothes shop, all closed.
So, you must be organized. You can't buy milk at midnight.
No, you can't. You must buy it during the day. You must plan ahead.
I think I can do that. It's a good trade for the peace and quiet.
I think so too. And you know, Jack, there's something else about small town shopping.
What's that?
The farmer's market. Many small towns have a weekly farmer's market.
Oh, I love farmers markets. Fresh vegetables, fresh fruit.
Yes. And homemade bread, honey, jam, everything is local and fresh.
And you meet the people who grow the food.
Exactly. You can ask, "How do you grow your tomatoes?" They tell you everything.
That's amazing. You know where your food comes from.
Yes, it's very different from the supermarket. And speaking of food, Jack, let's talk about lunch in a small town.
Okay, lunchtime. What happens?
In many small towns, people go home for lunch.
Really? They don't eat at their desk?
No, they go home. They eat with their family. It's a proper meal.
That's so nice. In the city, I eat a sandwich at my computer.
I know, it's not healthy. But in a small town, lunch is important. It's family time.
How long is the lunch break?
Maybe 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours in some countries.
2 hours. That's wonderful.
Yes, you can relax, you can eat slowly, and then you go back to work.
I like this lifestyle more and more. What about after work?
After work is also different. In the city, you sit in traffic again. You're tired and angry.
Yes, rush hour. I hate rush hour.
But in a small town, there's no rush hour. You drive home in 5 minutes, or you walk.
And then what do people do in the evening?
Well, some people work in their garden. Gardening is very popular in small towns.
I can imagine. Everyone has space for a garden.
Yes, they grow vegetables, flowers, maybe some herbs. It's relaxing and healthy.
And you can share your vegetables with neighbors.
Exactly. I have too many tomatoes. Would you like some? It's very common.
That's generous. I love that spirit of sharing.
Me too. And some people in the evening, they go for a walk. They walk around the town, they say hello to neighbors, they enjoy the fresh air.
No gym membership needed.
Exactly. Nature is your gym. And speaking of the evening, let's talk about the evening routine.
Okay, the sun goes down, the shops are closed. What happens?
It gets very dark.
Dark? Are there no streetlights?
There are some, but not many. In the city, it's always bright. There are lights everywhere.
True. Sometimes it's too bright to sleep.
In a small town, it's dark. You can see the stars.
The stars. Wow. I love looking at the stars.
It's beautiful. You can sit outside again. You can listen to the crickets.
Crickets? Those are the small insects that make noise at night. Chirp, chirp.
Yes, that's the sound of the country.
It sounds very relaxing.
It is. And the air is different too.
The air. How?
It's fresh, clean. There's no pollution from thousands of cars.
Ah, yes. Fresh air. You can breathe deep.
Yes, it's good for your health.
So, people in small towns, are they healthier?
Maybe they walk more. They eat fresh food. They have less stress.
Stress is a big problem in the city.
Everyone is running. Everyone is busy.
In a small town, busy is different. You're busy with your garden, you're busy with your family.
That's good busy.
Yes, it is. What about entertainment? What do people do for fun?
Well, there are no big cinemas or nightclubs. But there are other things.
Like what?
Some small towns have a local pub or cafe. People meet there. They talk, they play cards, they laugh.
That sounds cozy.
It is. And you see the same people every week, so they become your friends.
It's social, but different from city nightlife.
Yes, very different. It's quieter, more personal. There's no loud music, no crowds.
What about sports?
Oh, yes. Small towns love sports. Maybe there's a football team or a basketball team.
Local teams?
Yes, everyone supports the local team. On game day, everyone goes to watch.
That must be fun. The whole town together.
It is. It brings people together. And Jack, small towns are not for everyone.
Number. Why?
Because there are no big cinemas, no big clubs, no big events.
I see. If you like excitement and loud music, maybe a small town is not for you.
Exactly. It's a slow life. Some people love it, some people hate it.
I think I would like it. Maybe not forever, but for a vacation.
Yes, a vacation in a small town is a great idea. You can recharge your battery.
Recharge my battery. I like that expression. It means to get energy back.
Yes, rest and relax.
You know, Sarah, there's one more thing about neighbors I want to ask.
Go ahead, Jack.
What about festivals or parties?
Oh, yes, small towns love festival.
Really?
Yes. They have a strawberry festival or a pumpkin festival or a harvest festival.
A pumpkin festival. That sounds fun.
It is. Everyone comes to the town square.
The town square, that's the center of the town.
Yes. They bring food, they play music, children play games, and because you know everyone, it's like a big party with friends.
That's different from city festivals.
Yes. In the city, festivals are crowded. There are too many people. You can't move and it's expensive.
And you don't know anyone.
Exactly. But in a small town, it's simple. Maybe you bake a pie. Maybe you bring homemade lemonade.
A pie contest. I want to be the judge. I want to eat all the pies.
You would be a great judge, Jack.
Thank you. So, small towns have fun too, but it's simple fun.
Yes. Simple, honest fun. It connects people.
What about holidays? Christmas, New Year?
Oh, holidays in small towns are magical.
Tell me more.
Everyone decorates their house. There are lights everywhere. The town looks like a postcard.
Beautiful.
Yes. And on Christmas Eve, maybe there's a big dinner in the town hall. Everyone is invited.
Free food?
Sometimes, yes. Or everyone brings a dish to share.
Potluck. We call that potluck.
Yes, potluck. And there's singing, dancing, and Santa Claus for the children.
That sounds like a perfect Christmas.
It is. Very warm, very friendly. No stress, no expensive shopping.
Just people being together.
Exactly. That's the heart of small town life, being together.
I really like this picture we're painting, Sarah.
Me too. It sounds very cozy.
Cozy. That's a nice word. Warm and comfortable.
Yes, small towns are cozy.
Sarah, look at the time. We've been chatting so much about pies and neighbors and festivals.
I know. Time flies when we're having fun.
It really does. But before we finish, Let's just remember what we talked about today. It was a lot.
Good idea, Jack. Let's recap.
So, we talked about the morning, how it is quiet and peaceful.
Yes. No loud cars, just birds singing and coffee on the porch.
And we talked about the commute. No traffic jams. You can walk to work or drive very fast.
Then we talked about the most important thing, the community and the neighbors.
Yes, saying good morning, knowing people's names and helping each other, borrowing sugar.
We talked about children playing freely and the farmer's market with fresh local food.
And lunch at home with family. That's so nice.
Then evening activities like gardening and walking, and the local shops, Tom the baker, who knows your name.
And finally, the peace at night, the stars, the fresh air, and the beautiful festivals.
It sounds like a lovely life, doesn't it?
It really does. I feel calmer just talking about it.
Me too.
So now we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes. We want to know, do you live in a big city or a small town?
And which one do you prefer? Do you like the energy of the city or the peace of the small town?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories about your home.
Yes. Tell us about your neighbors. Are they friendly? Do you borrow sugar?
Do you have a farmer's market? What festivals does your town have? It is. Don't be shy.
And please, if you like this peaceful episode, subscribe to our channel English Worried.
And give us a big thumbs up, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Help us grow our community. Thank you so much for listening today.
We appreciate you very much.
Yes, thank you, friends. Have a peaceful day wherever you are.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye.